and I want to invite you and anybody else that you know that may be thinking about buying or selling here in the near future or potentially down the road. It's an exciting class. We are going to hit on many different topics for the buyers of what's happening in this current economic climate. So if you're concerned about your job, or you have a great job situation, or you're retired, how does that impact you as you try to qualify for a job? We're going to cover how California as a state has formed their contracts with contingencies in place to protect both parties, but more so on the buying side. So you want to know what your contingencies are. What are your good faith excuses out of the contract so that you can do your due diligence, know exactly what you're getting with one of the most important purchases potentially in your lifetime. It's going to be this Wednesday from 5 to 6 p.m. Some of the things that we're also going to talk about are first-time homebuyer programs that are available not only for those that are truly first-time homebuyers. It can be couples that have gone through separation recently. The divorce has to be finalized. Secondly, it could be somebody who owned a home more than 3 years ago. For some that qualify for it, you could potentially get up to $45,000 in forgivable grants. And for some people, it's the difference maker of whether or not they actually attain the goal of home ownership. I've helped some buyers with as little as $5,000 out of pocket purchase their first condo, one recently in Oxnard, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Total payment came out to about $2,600 a month, and they had $5,000 out of pocket. So if you think that may have interested you, you definitely want to check this out. If you're interested in learning about the process, learning about the market, what's happening today, how lenders are looking at buyers right now. I'm going to do this on Zoom, so you do have to register your name, your phone number, and your email. Once we have that information, if you want to put some notes in there, if you're working with another agent, we respect agency relationships. But come check this out. My dad's taught this for over 22 years. His name's Jim Ramey. He has an MBA. He's also taught these classes on base for many different sailors and military members. He's retired Navy himself, so he's going to talk about VA and some of what lenders are looking for right now. It's a 2-part session. He used to teach this for 4 hours on base. Now it's going to be cut down to 2 hours, and you're going to be able to enjoy it from the seat of your home. So highly recommend you check it out. I promise you that you're going to walk away with something of value, and hopefully we help you start your path to home ownership.